Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2007 Focus, and with this overhead console that has broken the tabs, and as you can see they've used tape or whatever because it won't stay up anymore because of the tabs are missing, and now because of the tape it's super gummy. So to remove this, there's actually a screw there, there's two in here, one there and then one on this side, and then there's two more right here. As you can tell, removing that piece. So what we're gonna do is, I got a new piece. These are discontinued from the dealer, so I was able to get this from the junkyard, and it wasn't broken. So let's go ahead and see how to remove this. The easiest way I found to remove this portion right here is to take a very thin putty knife and just kind of put it in there and just kind of wedge it, and that will make it pop out like that. And then just move it around a little bit. Don't go crazy because it's just held in by tabs, and then that should just come out right there like that. And as you can tell, right under there, there's a screw on both sides. So now all you have to do is just take your drill and take those screws out as best you can. Oopsie. Okay, let me take those out before I lose everything. Alright, now with all the screws removed, I removed all you have to do is kind of pull, tug, and then it should come out like so. And then you can snake it between the light and the bracket here. You can just snake it through. Let me see if I can show you while I'm holding this all. I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, just work your way through it like that, and there you go, it's free. And then putting on the new one, this is just the reverse. Obviously I've taken over the old one. I did give this a nice little cleaning, so it's actually pretty nice and clean now. And then basically you line up the same holes, and it should just go right back in. There's a little anchoring right there, and like that. Okay, and then we will put the two screws here, and we should be good to go. I'm going to put that there, put that one here. Like I said, I gave it a nice good cleaning. The ones on eBay are like $90 or more. If you can source it like I did here from the junkyard, you might be able to get it for less than 20. But again, it's wherever you go. I did it from a pull aparts, and there you go. Basically, I'll put the screws back in and pop that out, and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, all the screws are back. I closed it, and let's put this back in. And it should just be a matter of just popping it back into this little socket right here, because there's really just this metal clip on the back side. So just line it up, squeeze it, and just pop it in, and that's it. So that's how you take apart one of these upper consoles, and you can also use it as how to take this light out to change the bulb out. So other than that, hey, take care guys. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. Take care again. Bye now.